Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. I'm Gary, a clinical audiologist and part of the ownership team here at Advanced Hearing Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is earwax removal vlog number 38, and today we're going to be looking at my favorite type of wax removals. The ones in which we get giant globs of wax out and the patient's provided with instant relief. Instant relief from pressure, fullness, and even hearing loss. I love to be able to help people this quickly and easily. We started off on the left ear, and you can see with one quick swipe we're able to remove a giant chunk of wax, revealing the eardrum in its entirety. Now we're just going to clean up the bottom of the ear canal and get everything clean so the patient doesn't have to worry for at least the next 6 months to a year. And there's the eardrum. We're going to ask the patient if they can Valsalva or make their eardrum move. Excellent. Did you know that your inner ear contains different types of hair cells? These inner and outer hair cells help to transmit sound from the fluid-filled cochlea to the auditory nerve via an electrical potential. Now we're going to move on to the other side, and it's just as packed as the left. Hopefully we'll be able to get everything out in one big chunk. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and allows us to get our content in front of more people. Look at that giant chunk that just came out of their ear. And there we go. Look at the beautiful view of the eardrum. Again, we're going to ask the patient to attempt a Valsalva. And now we're going to take a look at what that looked like next to a common penny. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.